Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tile paint is probably one of the most transformative home improvement projects you can undertake, breathing new life into your outdated floors with stunning results and a fraction of the cost of replacing them entirely. This video will guide you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right paint to achieving a professional finish that will leave your floors looking amazing. Number 5. Rust-Oleum 367601 Floor Coating. Give your floors a stunning makeover without the hassle of sanding or stripping. It's the perfect solution for updating outdated flooring. This versatile coating works on a wide range of surfaces, including ceramic, porcelain, concrete, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. It's incredibly adaptable to your existing flooring. Application is a breeze. It dries quickly, allowing for light foot traffic in just 24 hours. You'll be enjoying your new floors in no time. Get excellent coverage with this product's rich, on-trend colors. It's built to last, offering life-tested durability for years of beauty. Express your creativity. It's easy to mix or stencil for a completely custom look. Let your imagination run wild. The water-based formula is low odor and easy to clean up, making the entire process simple and pleasant. Enjoy a fresh, updated space without the strong fumes. What we like. This kit is perfect for a quick and easy floor update. It works on almost any surface without prep work, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a durable and stylish floor refresh without the hassle, this is the one for you. What people say. Best home improvement project. I painted ugly and damaged green floors that I hated. Now they are a beautiful shade of black that makes them look clean and modern. I degreased the floor with crud cutter first. Easy to apply. I did my entire kitchen with this. I pre-filled all the cracks, did 2x base coats and 3x top coats. It's been a couple months now, and no signs of wear or issues. Great quality. I used on my stairs and dries quickly and adhesion was great. It was easy to apply. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Home Floor Coating. Transform your floors with our easy-to-use, two-step floor coating system. It's designed for superior adhesion and long-lasting protection. This coating adheres to almost any surface, making it perfect for various flooring types. No need for extensive prep work. Say goodbye to scratches and stains. It provides a durable, protective finish that stands up to daily wear and tear. Get back to your daily routine quickly. It's designed for fast drying and allows you to walk on your floors within a single day. Skip the tedious sanding and priming. It's ready to apply directly to your existing floor, saving you time and effort. For optimal results, use both the base coat and top coat. This ensures a smooth, even finish and maximum protection. What we like. This product boasts incredible adhesion and scratch resistance. It's ideal for high-traffic areas where durability is key. If you need a floor coating that can withstand daily wear and tear, this is your best bet. What people say. It's worked so well, I'm about to paint the floor in my master bath. It goes on very easy and cleanup was also easy and fast. Took me 2 coats over tile. Make sure you clean well and get every tiny hair or you'll paint it into your floor. The second step changed the texture, so don't worry if it seems sticky even when dry after you finished step 1. Number 3. Rust-Oleum 365930 Floor Coating. Transform your floors with our easy-to-use floor coating. It's perfect for a variety of surfaces, giving your home a fresh, updated look. This base coat works on ceramic, porcelain, concrete, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and linoleum. No need for extra prep work. It's a water-based formula, so there's no stripping, sanding, or priming required. Just apply and let it dry. Apply the base coat, wait 6 hours, then apply the top coat. Wait 24 hours after the top coat before walking on it. For best results, remove any caulk or wax from your floor before applying. This ensures a smooth, even finish. Remember, this is a base coat and requires a Rust-Oleum top coat in semi-gloss or matte finish, sold separately, to complete the job. What we like. This base coat is incredibly versatile and works on almost any existing floor surface. Its water-based formula is low odor and easy to use. If you are looking for a base coat that is easy to use and compatible with many surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. Dries quickly. Great way to update your space on a budget. I have one chip, but it's from me dropping a level from 5 off the ground. But normal wear and tear from kids, husband, and dogs, it's holding up really well so far. Works great finishing up our floor. Number 2. Rust-Oleum 100806 Floor Kit. Give your floors a stunning new look with our easy-to-use floor coating kit. It's the perfect solution for updating your home's interior. This kit simplifies the process with a user-friendly, two-step system. You'll have beautiful, durable floors in no time. It provides superior protection against daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to scratches and stains. You can enjoy your newly coated floors quickly. It's designed for fast drying and easy cleanup. Skip the hassle of stripping, sanding, or priming. It's ready to apply directly to your existing floor. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. Just apply the base coat, followed by the top coat for complete protection. What we like. This kit offers a simple two-step application process for a durable finish. It's highly scratch-resistant, making it perfect for busy households. If you value convenience and a long-lasting result, this is the right choice. What people say. The color was very accurate. I choose white with semi-gloss. One box covered the lower wall and the sink. I was able to coat twice. I did paint in small sections which worked better. Please follow instructions. Total dry time was 1 full day for paint and 24 ATL HRS for gloss. I epoxied the sink for a high gloss shine. Great coverage. Love the finished look. I double sanded my 12-inch SQ Builder grade boring tiles, using a DeWalt orbital sander and 60 grit pads. I strongly recommend sanding before using this product regardless of what it says. It needed 2 coats of paint white but just 1 coat of semi-gloss clear. The paint sticks very well. If you have outdated tile, this stuff works wonders. I've used it for backsplash, floors, and even created a stencil on my outdated fireplace tile. It's been a year and a half and my bathroom floors still look amazing. Number 1. Rust-Oleum 365929 Floor Coating. Transform your floors with our easy-to-use floor coating. It's the perfect solution for a durable and beautiful finish. This system makes floor coating simple. Just 2 steps to a stunning, long-lasting result. It provides superior protection against daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to scratches and stains. Save time and effort with this convenient coating. It's ready to apply directly to your existing floor. This beautiful aged gray color adds a touch of elegance to any space. It's the perfect choice for a modern and stylish look. Upgrade your floors today with this high-quality, easy-to-apply floor coating. Enjoy the beauty and durability for years to come. What we like. This product offers an easy 2-step application with maximum scratch resistance. No sanding or priming is required, making it a quick and simple solution. If you want a durable, low-maintenance floor coating, then this is for you. What people say. Use the aged gray as a base color and stenciled with pearl gray, plus a couple non-Rust-Oleum accent colors. Really great and easy to work with. I had used this floor coating system in the past but on bathroom shower walls, so I knew it was a great option. I am highly satisfied with the paint. I purchased the white and aged gray. It is easy to apply, dries quickly and seems very durable. This was easy to apply and 2 coats covered nicely. It has a kind of matte finish, but besides that, really pleased with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.